Last week I shared my limeade video with you, and what a treat that was. I hope you all got a chance to try it. This week I want to share with you one of my family's favorite side dishes. It is so healthy for you and very easy to make. You might be surprised that my kids like broccoli. You might also be surprised by some of the cooking tips I share and the serving tips that make broccoli so good. In the video, I used frozen broccoli. You can also use fresh, but I have read that frozen can actually sometimes be healthier for you. After you watch this video, comment below and let me know if you had a chance to try the limeade. If you did, I want to hear what you thought of it. And if you didn't, I'm going to include the link to it in the description below so you have a chance to make it yet this week. But I also want you to try this broccoli. So here's how you do it. And I buy the steam-in bag broccoli, really just because I could buy it in large quantities. And I actually don't cook it in the microwave or steam it in the bag. I put just a tiny amount of water, just barely covering the bottom of the pan, and pour my broccoli in. And it only takes probably 5 to 7 minutes to cook the broccoli. You never want to overcook broccoli. Overcooked broccoli is not tasty. But if you undercook it, it's better than overcooking it. So just be careful about your time for broccoli. I have another secret later about broccoli that we have learned and just love. So I'll share that with you in a minute. So our secret trick to have the best broccoli ever is kind of surprising. It's soy sauce. Just a little dab will do ya. It is so good. You have to try it. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to learn some more cooking tips, shopping tips, and how to make cooking at home more enjoyable for you and your family members.